Hi, this is Rich with the C21 Soul Team.
And Lana Wynn.
And we are in Stanton. The property is at 10228 Jasmine Court in Stanton, California. It's a single-family home, completely remodeled inside.
It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and we welcome you to take a look inside.
This has over 1,600 square feet of living area. It's a single-family house with 2 floors. There's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, powder on the bottom, 2 full on top. All 4 bedrooms are up top. Downstairs has a huge, spacious living area, kitchen over there, and we have a backyard patio over there.
And now we're here in the living room, and what I love is the open floor plan. It opens to the kitchen as well as high ceiling with recessed lighting and dual-pane windows.
Now we also upgraded the baseboards recently, so you've got this modern look throughout the home. Now in addition, it's also in a private community where you have a lot of neighbors to communicate with, as well as landscaping that's paid for by the very low HOA fee.
The kitchen features large thermofoil cabinets as well as lots of counter space with granite countertops. You have stainless steel appliances as well as a gas stove. One of my favorite places in this home is the master bedroom with its oversized bathroom as well as a large master with lots of windows, and you have European his and hers closet. The spacious master bathroom has an extra closet as well as Jack and Jill sink, a large soaking tub, and a stand-in shower.
So one of my favorite features about this property is that it's wheelchair friendly, wheelchair accessible. So if you want to use it as a lift, you can push the button and go up and down the stairs. Now this house has one of the most modern garages. Not only do you have a tankless water heater, but you've also got plenty of storage nooks, as well as insulation and paint on the walls.
Over here we have our spacious dining area. And if you do yoga or you meditate, in the privacy of your backyard, you can face east.
So I'm here at Buena Park, which is about 2 miles away from the property. You've got a lot of attractions, such as Nutsbury Farm, as well as plenty of shopping and plenty of dining. A couple miles away from the property is Disneyland. In addition to being the happiest place on earth, it was started in 1955 and features annual visits of 18 million people a year.
Thank you for taking the tour with us. Please email us or contact us if you have any questions.